Join me today and welcome to the beautiful Casa Symbiotica. Share with you one of our top luxury listings. Hello everyone, and first I hope you are happy and well wherever you may be. Today I would like to take you on a video tour of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, standalone single-family home located in Playa Potrero, Guanacaste. My name is Sarah Breitlander, and my husband and I are the owners of Crane Real Estate in this Guanacaste region of Costa Rica. But before I take you on the video tour of the house, I want to show you something very special because we're in Villaggio number 3, which has an amazing central hub, kind of a commercial center, and at night this comes alive. So I kind of wanted to show you this first, and you're going to see there are things like a meat and cheese shop, a seamstress, barbershop, pizzeria, and this is all for you to enjoy during the evenings if you decide to choose this as your home. Take a look. All right, let's check out the house. Okay, I promised you I would tell you a little bit about the Villaggio development, and as we're walking to this unit and meandering through the garden, I thought this would be a great time. So in terms, we're in Villaggio 3. There are actually, I think, 6 Villaggio developments, and there's talks of constructing a 7th one. They were originally created by Italian developers, and they were sold originally to Italian investors and homeowners. Of course, now there are people from all around the world that live in these units. But we really like the Villaggios for a couple reasons. Number one, it's a gated community. Number two, they're all walk to beach. So this particular development is probably a 7-minute walk to the calm beach of Playa Potrero, only a 5-minute walk to the town square of Potrero. So really centrally located. Another reason we like the Villaggios is that they're standalone units. So you can get a standalone single family home at a great price. They're like entry-level positions into owning a home here in Costa Rica, which I really love for my clients. Of course, we love the multi-million ocean view and beachfront homes, but not everyone can afford that. And if you watch this channel, cash is king down here, so there aren't really many financing options available to non-Costa Rican residents. So with that cash, not everyone has $500,000 to invest in here, and that's why I like these Villaggios development. So here we are, right in front of the home. I just want you to take a look at this. Look how cute this is. All of these plants are just decorated lovely, and this is, in fact, all yours. So there are 2 units here, which they have combined into a single family home. So you just walk right up the sidewalk here. There you go. This is our latest exclusive listing. I would classify this as a hot property because of the price, because of the uniqueness of it. Some of these are still single units, side-by-side units, so you don't own the whole building, but this one is. Also, let's talk about the objections. We talked about the pros to Villaggios. Let's talk about the cons. One common objection we have is that because this was an original development, the homes are older, right? They're in need of updating. So this home has, sometimes they're either completely gut rehabbing them or partially rehabbing them. And this home has been partially rehabbed and maintained just in an excellent condition, which you're gonna see as we walk through the home. Okay, first I want to take you inside, but there you'll see that there's space on either side of the home, a ton of outdoor space. If you visit us and you see this home, we're going to walk around the Villaggios and you will see that this home has the biggest footprint of outside area when compared to any of these homes, the largest in the development, which is great. So you walk into the living room here. I think this is adorable. So it's all open air, but also you can close everything off. You have AC in the living room, AC, all the bedrooms, living, and kitchen area. Okay, let's do this bedroom here since we're right here. So here is the first bedroom. This would be the guest bedroom. It's being used currently. You'll see vaulted ceilings. That authentic hardwood is still used. That is so rare. That's such a lovely Costa Rican touch that you don't see in the new building today. Lots of light in here. You can see the hibiscus flowers out. And then this is the first bathroom. Both of the bathrooms are en suite to the bedrooms, which is nice. You can see the bathrooms have been updated in really bright, vibrant, tropical colors. We're gonna go a little bit out of order, but just because I kind of just want to show you the different little areas of this house. So this is a sleeper couch, okay? So if you have more than 4 people staying, you have 6 people here, don't worry about this. This pulls out to another bed, so it sleeps 6. Look at this. This is one of my favorite parts of the home. Huge lounging outdoor area, and it just keeps going, right? All covered, ceiling fans out here. I mean, it is so nice and fresh today. We've got a lot of cloud cover with the green season, so it's just really nice and cool, but with the ceiling fan, it's just amazing. Also, look at this big dining area out here. Again, ceiling fan. This is just really, really nice. You're gonna see there are sunshades throughout, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. Another thing that makes this home really special, I think this home will go fast because it's unique and it's priced right. But look at this yard area. So this is common area, okay? You would not own this land, but they have planted all these plants, which gives you so much privacy. So this is yours to use. Even though you don't technically own it, no one else is gonna come through these plants, right? And this is all yours to enjoy. I just wanna show you this. I don't know if you can get this on the camera, but they're just orchids, just growing here. I'm from Chicago, so the only place I saw orchids was in the conservatory. So I just love it when I see orchids just growing out here. Here's a nice mango tree. There are actually 3 mango trees on this property, which is really, really nice. All right, come with me. I want to take you back inside. So in the Bellagio complex, this is an HOA. You would be part of an HOA. HOA fees are super reasonable. Most oftentimes water is included, and even electricity up to a certain amount, depending on which Bellagio you're in. So I really like it for that reason. So here's the kitchen area. Super cool concept. You will see we have a lot of furniture here made out of Guanacaste wood or teak, depending on which pieces we're talking about. Really cool, and they've done a great job. Look how nice and light, all new lighting, all new kitchen. This is really an open concept. Okay, so while we're here, let's go ahead and enter. This is the principal bedroom here. They're using it for the principal bedroom. Love these colors. Look how adorable this room is. I love the way they decorated it. I love that it's kept the authenticity of this Costa Rica vibe. We don't see that anymore. I miss it and I love it. Big, bright window, plenty of natural light in here. Of course, you have blackout shades if you wish. And then, as I said, both of the bedrooms have ensuite baths. Really love the colors. Again, nice and bright, super tropical. Really nice job, I think, on the color choices because we're in Costa Rica and we feel like we're in Costa Rica. Plenty of room for a flat screen TV here. Your closets are back here. And here we're back out to the main living area, the open living and kitchen concept. Both, again, have AC. ACs in every room in this house. Now, you may be wondering, where's the stove? I'll tell you, this super cool concept. We have indoor-outdoor kitchen concept, which is super rare, and I think it's so well thought out. Look at this huge space. Another dining table for 8. You can have all of your guests over. These are sunshades. I left these down. It makes it a little darker, but I left it down because I wanted you to see this. The sunshades are here and also on this side. I love sunshades. A, they give you privacy from your neighbors. B, at some point in the day when the sun sets, you're gonna have the sunlight in and it can get warm. And so these sunshades, they're transparent so you can see through them, but they really shade yourself. So not only are they special in this house, but any house you choose, if you see sunshades, it's a great upgrade to the home. So again, I don't know if you can see, but there are ceiling fans here. More great Costa Rican hardwood. And then here's your oven, here's your stovetop. This is where you're gonna do your outdoor cooking. It's all covered. This is how you live in Costa Rica. So great oven for pizza here, gas burners here, hot plate, separate grill. I mean, this is where you're gonna be grilling and cooking, and it's just, I love this open concept. They even have their herbs growing here, oregano, basil, just a really great variety time. So this is your outdoor kitchen, and it just keeps going. So they have a bougainvillea plant that's growing here, and that's going to bloom a lovely, vibrant pink. But I want to show you the back side, so you just step around here. You have your outdoor washer and dryer, very common in Costa Rica. You know this if you watch my channel, because it keeps the heat outside. And also if you have help in the home, they can do that outside without bothering you. So here's your washer and dryer, stackable. I don't usually take my clients around the back of the house in these video tours, but this is so well, because it's not really relevant, this is so well kept, I did want to take you back here. because you have your outdoor sink. So if you go to the beach, you want to wash your beach toys off, or if you're fishing, you want to clean your fish out here. Great. And all of these are owner's lockout for storage. And then of course, even though you have a dryer, if you just wanted to hang your wet clothes up out here to dry naturally under the sun, you can do that too. Okay, you know me, I like to save the best part for last. Check this out. Another thing that makes this home super unique. Outdoor shower, by the way, when you come in from the pool. Speaking of pool, guess where we are? So you'll see there's a sidewalk here. It's totally private because you have these great plants here. This is a hummingbird bush. Hummingbirds love this plant. But you can take your own shortcut to this amazing pool that's for the whole development, but quite honestly, rarely used because people are out at the beach, they're outside just touring generally. So the pools here are always, they're never crowded. Look at this pool. This is steps from your home. How many steps did we take? 8, 10 steps to this pool. And you can see, it's 1 o'clock right now, and you have one family using the pool. And this is pretty indicative of the use of the pool here. There's also a baby pool here. Of course, in high season, it gets a little busier. 3 royal palms here. And did you see these outdoor palapas with the sitting chairs? These are really nice too. And then I want to show you, just look at this. Here's your banana tree. You even have bananas growing right there. This is Costa Rica. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour with me today. Again, my name is Sarah Breitlander. We would love to be your real estate agents here in the Guanacaste region. So if you like this home, feel free to reach out to us or a Crane agent today. Thanks so much, and Pura Vida.